Honestly, it wouldn't be a bad idea to do some content. Today we got in a rotary hole punch machine from Weaver Leather Supply, and I am so excited. This is the best day of my life, even more so than my wedding day, right?
Probably.
It says this side up, but our table's too tall for me to open it that way, so I'm gonna turn it on its side for a second. Hello. Oh, it's heavy. It's so heavy. Oh, there it is. Look at that thing. These are my ripped instructions.
Now we won't know how to.
C, punch bar. Okay. Let me get a practice strap. Give me a practice strap. Hey, this machine, so when we have like a belt or like a strap or like suspenders, anything like that, you put it in here and then you set the distance between punches that you want between 1/2 inch and 3 inches. And then you just go like this. So you get perfectly centered holes, boom, just like that. So it's a lot more consistent, perfectly centered, and a lot more efficient for us, because the way we do holes now, or the way we did them yesterday, and never again, is we would set it down on the table right next to the thing, and then we'd go boop, 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 with like a pen or an awl. And then you'd go through with a hand punch, and you'd go boop, 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 and it would take forever. So now we have this machine, which is going to be way better. And I'm excited. Put it to the official use.
We have a
I'm going to
live
use it on an actual project that we're working on right now. Are those the size holes I need? Let's find out. This is the buckle that's going to get used. Let's test it on the test strap I just did. I'm gonna need bigger holes, so let's do that. Look at how easy it is to change out the hole sizes.
We are not sponsored by.
We're not sponsored in any way. We probably would have
We're just excited.
We would have done a better job of doing this if we were sponsored, I think.
We probably would have planned it out more than the 2 minutes.
This is number 2.
Who does it work for?
Who does number 2 work for? 6? This is number 7.
Those sound like real numbers.
I don't. Is this supposed to be 4? I think it's supposed to be 4. Okay. Do that. And then I'm gonna load my bad boy up into this bad boy. And then I'm gonna punch me some holes. And then this guy's pretty cool because it just kind of, you adjust it to the width of your strap, and then you just crank that thing. I'm gonna count how many punches I want, because that's what I'm going to do. Is that not the raddest thing you've ever seen in your entire life? Now I need to figure out where I'm gonna put this, because right here is not gonna work. That's a good spot.
That's a good spot.
So just enough to let it kind of slide through. And then right here is where you adjust the space between the punches. So I've got it at 1 inch right now, and then you can go all the way down to 1/2 inch. Yeah. I guess you can do straps backwards as well.
I was gonna say, I think I'm going backwards doing
That's the thing you wanted to do. We pulled the straps this way to bevel the edges. This is also from Weaver Leather Supply.
So what you need to do is you need to have someone here, and someone here, and all 3 of you.
Yeah, just
Pull-
feeding
work
straps
leather
this
through-
way,
yeah.
feeding straps that way, feeding straps this way. Clamp and check. Oh. That's also from Weaver. We like Weaver. Weaver makes great stuff. I want to get the splitter to basically replace this with one from Weaver. I like to say I'm some kind of Weaver groupie. I'm a Weaver head. I'm a weave bro. Is that what they say?
No one says that.
Okay.